Hello and welcome to a new episode of Trains App, and today we're at Tonbridge on the South Eastern Mainline. We're seeing services from South Eastern, Southern, and within luck, a little bit of freight as well. Coming in now is 375306, leading its service to Ramsgate via Canterbury West. With 375809 leading, trailing even. If that's leading, then, well, I'm getting my things back to front. It's my second time here at Tonbridge Station. The weather could be a bit nicer, but beyond that, I can't complain. I like the layout, and obviously down in the distance you've got GBRF Tonbridge Yard. So you've got, if I stand about, there you go. You can see at least two Class 73s down there. There is something due later on today. We'll see what that's going to be. As incoming now is the 1511 South Eastern service to London Charing Cross. I've got a feeling this is the Hastings service. So leading the way is 375624. I shall get the rear when she leaves. Oh, it's 1513 South Eastern service even. Okay, then departing now is the 1513 South Eastern service to London Charing Cross. And on the rear is 375605. I do love that sound. Okay, coming in now is the 1522 South Eastern service to Hastings, worked by 375816. On the rear is 375912. Lovely job. Okay, now departing is the 1522 South Eastern service to Hastings. Whatever it is, I didn't do it. Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be a terminating southern service from Redhill. So it's caught something in its shoe. It's being worked by 377206. Lovely job. Okay, the next train to make an appearance amongst the growing wind is going to be the 1537 South Eastern service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross, with the lead being 375625. Then I shall get the rear when she departs. Okay, but ready to depart now is going to be 375625 with the 1537 South Eastern service to London Charing Cross. The birds are out in force today. On the rear is 375821. What a racket! Okay, the next train to arrive is going to be the 1541 South Eastern service from London Charing Cross to Dover Priory, with 375606 leading. Then we've got a GBRF 66 coming through light from Grainside Thames Port to Tonbridge. This 375's got brand new bogies. On the rear is 375612, and coming in here looks like 66755. Well weathered, I think is the word. I love the fact that they've cleaned the GB Rail Freight logo at the front and the number, but beyond that it's filthy at the front. Tony Berkeley OBE. RFG Chairman 1997 to 2018. And we've got a winky face on the back. I love it. Childish humour. Well, and eventually the points will change, and then she will continue on for the last 20 seconds of her journey into Tonbridge Yard. Okay, the next train to arrive is going to be the 1544 South Eastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. This will be what the GB66 is waiting for. Once this goes, it'll then be allowed into the yard. So leading this in is 375628, and as always, I shall get the rear when she leaves. Okay, but ready to depart now is going to be the 1544 South Eastern service to London Charing Cross. On the rear is 375921. Okay, points are changed, the shunt signal is on, away she goes. Okay, the next train to round the bend is going to be the 1554 South Eastern service to Hastings. Working our way in with quite a loud racket is 375803. And 375811 on the rear. Quite a full train. Okay then, about ready to leave now. It's going to be the 1554 South Eastern service to Hastings. Okay then, we're ready to depart now. It's going to be our final train of the day, the 1601 Southern service to Redhill, courtesy of 377206. And as she continues onwards, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you have enjoyed what you've seen today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. I thoroughly enjoyed coming back down here. I seem to recall there was more variety my first time around, but I shan't knock it. Still a good station to come to. Again, one that I will be making regular trips to, I'm sure. Always nice to see a bit of action going into Tonbridge depot down there, so not going to knock it. It's a 66, but we'll still take it nonetheless. Next station is going to be Hildenborough, just around the corner. Never been there before, as with pretty much every station on this network. So it'll be nice to see the sort of views that you get, as I know it's going to be 375 Central, but yeah, the views and the station layout as well. We shall see. Well, until next time, from me here at Tonbridge on the South Eastern Mainline, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.